Hey everybody, I forgot something I wanted to show you here, so I think this will just end up being a separate video. Maybe I'll figure out how to combine the two videos here in a moment, but I think there's another thing I wanted to show you here, which is around an alternate to Python. If you find yourself in a situation where you don't have an alternate to idle. If you find yourself in a situation where you don't have access to idle, from a web browser, you could type in and you can bookmark this, but the way I usually get that is I just go ahead and I search for REPL space Python, and it's the second link in Google that comes up, which is Python 3. Okay, you don't want Python 2. Remember, this is all about Python 3. So if I bring up Python 3, repl.it, this is a web browser version of Python. And it's pretty cool, actually, right? And so I can go ahead and I can create some code here. Oops. Oh, I do click on new, Python. There we go. And I can create some code. By the way, I can also go here. I can do stuff in here just like idle. So the black window is like our idle, like same thing as our idle interpreter. I can do stuff on this side and I can click run and I get my answer here. So it's very similar to idle, but you can have multiple files here. You could save your files. You can sign up and create an account, but you can do a lot of stuff without the account. Some students end up doing this because they're moving between different computers, or they're using on-campus computers, or they might be using an iPad or something like that. And so this is a good option if idle is not something that you can use. And I'm pretty impressed with how robust this is. Where you'll find that this won't work as well is later in the class when we're like reading from the disk and things like that, where you're going to need to have the client running on your computer here. But I figured this would be a good tool to show you early on, so that if you need an alternate environment, you got one. So enjoy.